All right, let's get it going. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. All right, cool. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Kevin Alex Ben. Welcome. Cryptomaniacs. So for all you guys there in my community of people within Earth World Trade, welcome. You guys been asking me for a while now about Binance, and I'm a part of Binance, so I wanna share some information right now about Binance, and I hope that you guys will find this very useful within the community that you're part of. Within these communities as well, it's good to pass on information, but I want to put it out there that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm doing this video for my community of people within Earthworld Trade and for educational purposes. So guys, please be careful in the crypto space. Also keep your crypto keys private and ensure that you have your head screwed on. That's real talk. So in crypto world, it is a decent way to earn as well as actually lose in crypto world. So it does go up and down just like anything else. So be mindful, okay? Now, person's been asking me, Alex, look, what's the deal with Binance? What I've learned about Binance so far is that persons within United States may have issues and so on with Binance, but the case may be there's a US version with Binance. So if you're living in North America, you may want to look into that as well to use the US version of Binance. Binance in itself, I find it to be a very incredible platform where persons can actually earn from and actually buy and sell cryptocurrencies and so on. So I'm going to show you a few things that I've been doing with Binance. And if you want to actually take part in Binance, you can actually use my referral link, which is going to be up above. When I post this video, you can always click on it and you can actually get an account free with Binance. Okay, so there are a few options here. You'll see that right here on my left, you will see the markets. You will see crypto, buy crypto. You will see trade, you will see futures, and you will see all, right? So if you click on market, you will see the different markets that are there. Right now, this is the USD futures market, and you have the coin futures market. You have EFT markets as well, and my favorites. So in my favorites market, what I do is to go on my spot market, and I look through the market and see what pairs of digital assets that I want to trade or buy. And then I would normally just go ahead and just click an asterisk on it, and it would normally just reflect over here. When I click on favorites, it will give you a list of all the pairs that I am interested in. Okay, so that's the thing with the markets, right? The next thing is that you can use a credit card, debit card to actually buy your assets on Binance. You would have to go to the verification process and so on. Depends on where you are in different countries. The options may be varies as well. So you would have to touch base with Binance and see if you're accepted and so on, and if your card can be used and so on, right? You can use a Visa card or a MasterCard. All right, cool. You can actually click on trade. Now, trade in itself is just like anything else. So for my students within Forex, they would be much familiar with a chart like this, and also persons who know about trading view. You will see different tools here that is being used similar to trading view toolkits and so on. So you can actually use this on the trading platform with Binance. You will see up here that you have the same kind of timeline as well, 15 minutes an hour, 4H, 4 hour, 1D, 1 day, 1 week, and so on, right? So you can actually look at all of this, right? So it has similarities in it as well. Over here, you will see order books. You will see order books in red and green. So for me, I always use the highest timeline price right here, which is top right here. Green, that's the price I normally buy or sell at. Okay, so I'm going to do an next lesson on this as well. So this I just want to give you an overview about Binance itself and what it can do. Okay, I want to touch more back on this as well. You have the futures market right here. So if you click on that, it will take you into the futures, but we're not going to touch base on that right now. We're going to do a next lesson on that. And also, you have here, if you click on all, it will show you that you have your wallet, your order book, convert, Binance, earn, save, launch pads, and it also have crypto loan. Here you have liquid swap, you have leverage, you can get your Binance card if you want one, and you can have Binance pool and so on. So, and the news. So the thing is, with this option, I'm gonna touch base on a few of them. There is the wallet, which is my wallet right there. I'm gonna touch base in it in a minute. I wanna go in Binance Earn. How do you earn from Binance, okay? There are several ways you can earn from Binance. You can earn from Binance with your savings. You can earn from the launchpad. You can actually earn from the vault itself. So if I click on Binance Earn, it will take me to the screen. Now, what is this saying? Is it's basically saying that you have a lot of options with Binance, or a lot of options with Binance. Currently, there is quite a bit more option with Binance to earn than Coinbase, right? And that's just a fact, right? So you have flexible terms, high risk products, and so on. And if you look, you can see that you have these digital assets, and it will tell you APY yearly amount that it would actually give you on the return for the asset that you have. And then if you scroll on some more, you will actually see that it have fixed term, right? So you have fixed saving terms, you have staking, and you can actually buy these digital assets, these digital currency coins, and with these assets, what you can do is actually you can actually stake it or put it in a fixed period. For example, you can put it there for 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, 90 days, and so on, right? And when you locked it in, it will give you a return on the duration period that you have, okay? So, and then you have high risk products, right? So these are some of like BTC, which is Bitcoin, BNB, which is Binance token coins itself, right? So you have Binance and you have BUSD, which is still Binance, okay? And it will tell you how much you can actually earn on it if you actually stake it for a period or so, okay? And you have actually more. So if you, there's a little dot right here that says view more. So if you click on that, it will show you more. And that's what it is. So if you click on that, you'll see that it brings you over to here. And I want to bring it over and show you some more. It will show you what is DeFi staking. Here it is, and you can lock it in, okay? Here it is, and it will tell you if you can stake now and so on. And if you can't stake as well, and it's sold out, so you'll see this little sold out wording right here that is in kind of black and white. It's gonna be peeled, and that is telling you that right now you can't get in it because it's sold out. That means that there is no more slot available right now, okay? And there you can expand to others as well, okay? So not gonna spend too much time on that right now. As you can see right here with my staking balance, there is stars. So this icon right here, the little eye icon, is that I hide my balance. So I don't want you guys to see how much I'm staking in my Bitcoin and so on. So I just click that button and you just keep it private, okay? You can click on finance as well. And if you click on finance, it will show you the Binance Earn, the Binance Pool as well. So if you click on the Binance Pool, you can actually earn from the Binance Pool as well, and it will give you more options as well inside the Binance Pool, right? There's an option here with Binance Earn as well that I want you guys to look into. If you look right here and it says, let me show you. Right here, it will say Academy, okay? Binance Academy. So inside here as well, there is a lot of information inside here for persons who just started out with Binance. So if you click on Binance here and you click on the Academy, it's going to show you some pretty decent stuff, right? So if you click there, it will take you to the Academy itself. And what happened is that it will give you a lot more information over there in the Academy, okay? All right, so just jump off of that. Let's go into let's jump into the savings, buy and save. So we did the earn, we did savings, and we did the wallet. I'm gonna go back to the wallet in a minute, but there is a next we can earn from Binance, and this is called savings, right? So you can lock it in a savings, staking, and you can interest here. You see for the fixed savings right here, you may see these here that says transfer, and you see some of them are like green, right? You see them on. Well, why are they on? Like some of these amounts is that I'm mining some of these currencies, right? So I can't, the balance is too small for it to actually go into a savings account or a lock savings or the vault itself. So what I do is just click here and turn it on, and it's auto transfer, right? So these are called DOS or millibytes. So DOS itself, it's so small, the percentage that they're paying you, because the balance is there in that particular account is growing, right? So what you can do is put it on auto transfer, and all the bits, the millibits or the DOS, they call it, that you're earning from each one of these here, you can actually just click transfer, and it will just automatically just pull it over into your savings account once it accumulates. So I think it's every other day that they do a transfer. I just keep on accumulating like that. So this is a pretty decent way to earn. Up top here, you will see that it's still here. You'll see that icon right here. You can have your savings balance there, and you can see the profits that you're earning and all that good stuff. So I'm not going to show you my balance, how much I have in there, but that's how you actually, if you want to see, you can actually click on it, and it will show you the balance that you have. All right, so if you go to wallet, you can give an overview of how much your portfolio is by clicking on overview. You can click on spot and fiat. If you click on spot and fiat, it will also show you as well how much do you have in your spot account. Now the spot account, once you deposit money to your account on Binance, what's going to happen is that the money will be transferred into your spot account. Now, once the money is in your spot account, then you can actually go ahead and transfer the money from your spot account to whichever account, whether it be staking, fixed, or you want to transfer it over into the Binance pool, you can, okay? I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So here, for example, as you can see, I have quite a bit of coins over here, a lot. So I got the TLM, which is Alien World. I got Cardona. I got Vitrons tokens. I got Dodge. I got BUSD. I got US Tether. I got BNBs. I got VChain. I got XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and a lot more. Okay, so I'm just accumulating all these digital assets and grow my wealth, right? So this is pretty decent where you can actually put it, your amount there, and then you can transfer it in different instruments and so on, right? So that's it in a whole, how that works, right? And I can show you as well the interest being earned on one particular coin or currency itself. So I want you guys to understand then you can liquidate the amount. You can actually put it in a launch pool or so on. But I want to go on and touch base on the launch pad. Now, this option right here, launch pad. Now, the cool thing about launch pad is that you can actually earn with the launch pad. You can earn by doing the mining / farming with the launch pad. Now, the launch pad itself, once you click on the option there, it will show you that, look, you can actually move the amount elsewhere, right? So once you mine it, then it's going to go into your savings or it goes back to your spot account, okay? So inside here, you will see that it's launch pool. Now, whenever a currency or a coin, digital asset comes into the market, if you have enough BNB coins, it will take it into the launch pool. And if you're in the launch pool along with the vault itself, then you can actually take part and they will actually give you whichever coin that is launching from the launch pool. They'll give you a percentage of it, just like that, by just having BNB coins. So it's pretty cool if you ask me, right? So right here, you'll see that I'm farming TLM digital asset. So with this particular token, this coin right here, it will show you how much is there. And it also tells you that the pending harvest is 0, because a while ago, what I did was I just farmed it. And what happened is that once you farm it, then you'd have to just wait until you get the next one, right? Once you farm, you can go there every hour or every half an hour and you will just retrieve it, right? So you'll see right here, it says 1 in progress, right? So it's keep on farming. That's why you see it like this. Also, if you look carefully, you'll see right here, you'll see that it's actually moving, right? It will tell you, here it is, okay? All right, so up top, you will see it says farming in progress. So I'm farming this particular coin in itself. All right, so that is it for now. There's quite a bit more stuff with the Binance, but I would have to do a next video on it. I don't want to really, do too much at once, but guys, this here is a good platform. I like it, and it has some really cool features. It has a lot of features. And in my view is that with Binance really have a lot more to offer than Coinbase currently, okay? Right now, Coinbase has been, they issue their public offering out there and so on, and the share price of Coinbase is around maybe 351 today, I think, somewhere there, US dollars for one. But the thing is that with my Coinbase, I will tell you how I earn from it and what am I using it Coinbase for. With my Binance, I'm using my Binance to accumulate and actually use the different investment options here on Binance to actually earn a lot more on my coins and do a lot more stakings and so on with my Binance. So yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. If you want to get your own Binance account, you can actually refer friends and family to Binance. And that is pretty easy. I'll just drop my referral link in the link above, and you can actually click on it and you get your own Binance account. But yeah, that is what I want to touch base on today with Binance. But yeah, it's going good so far, and I like it. Good review so far. So if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, or just share it with friends and family. But this is what is happening with Binance right now, right now. So I hope you really like this video. I said it quite a bit of times. But yeah, if any more questions, you can always direct message me or send me a message via different mediums, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, or whosoever have my direct number, you can already reach out, or my different social media platforms like my LinkedIn as well, or to my YouTube channel, whichever way you want to reach out, you can. And I will see if I have the time, I will definitely touch back base with you guys. So I hope this was helpful, and yeah, talk to you guys soon. Kevin Alexman. Bye-bye.